Hello guys! Alam nyo ba na yung flight ko noong May 10 from Philippines to Dubai, Dubai to Copenhagen. Honest is, nung nandoon ako sa Dubai guys, hindi ko makita ang flight number ng aking flight. Di ba dapat naka-display yan? Pero ang nakalagay lang doon guys is going to Copenhagen, Dubai to Copenhagen. At alam mo kung ano lang yung tinitignan ko guys? Ang hindi nilagay doon eh. Hindi naka-display doon ang eksakto kung saan ka. Alam mo kung ano lang yung tinignan ko? Ang time at ang ano na nakalagay doon, going to Copenhagen. Dubai to Copenhagen. Nangangapa ako sa dilim guys kung anong plane ang eksaktong sasakyan ko. Pero alam ko guys, sa Dubai pa lang ako pinaglalaruan na ako. Doon daw nila malalaman kung kaya ko mag-travel alone. Pero honest guys is, I can't travel alone. Ang importante guys, naka-display. Naka-display guys! Hindi yung pinaglalaruan ako ng pisting yawang tao dito. Kasi kung ayaw nila talagang papuntahin ang mga Asian sa country nila, dapat tinatanggal na nila ang embassy sa Pilipinas o kung saang alupalop ng mundo para wala ng Asia na makarating sa country nila. Para wala silang pinaglalaroan at ginagawang mongoloid. Dahil sa totoo lang guys, hindi ako natutuwa kung paano nila ako paglaruan. Yung sabihin nila, doon nila makikita kung kaya ko mag-travel alone. Oh yes! I've been in Philippines and back to Denmark, Philippines, Denmark. In how many times? That time that is Mons is very sick. Yes. That time that Janine is too small. But you know what? I can manage to travel without, other person help or assistant. But you know what? Obviously, yes. They play my time. They play my life. They make it for fun only because they are thinking that I'm stupid person ever in earth. But honestly is, guys, some people traveling, going somewhere in this earth, they are stupid than me. More than. But you know what? The funny is, they are just focusing to one person, one Filipina, because it's more fun to them, guys, to destroy Rogelia. Because they said that, she is no read, no write. She cannot manage to speak Danish or English. Wow. Really? Alam mo guys, kung halugugin nyo ang Denmark, promise, there's a lot of foreigner they cannot manage to speak English or Danish well. Pero they are just focusing for one person only. Ako lang guys, ako lang ang ginaganyan-ganyan nila. Kaya alam mo kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon sa vlog ko? Yes, nananadya ako guys. Nananadya akong sabihin sa buong mundo. Tell to everybody all over the world that one of Filipina like me is not stupid like what they think or they announce. Promise, I'm not like that. I'm not stupid, but you know what? They are too much. I need to defend myself, to slap to their face that one of Filipina that hoping that she can work abroad in a nice job or get a higher educations, the controlling for their idiot society. Yun lang guys. Please share. Pero sa totoo lang, it's too much.